Hi again, it is going to be the video for Monday, December 5th. This is going to be part two of uh, one method for creating an annual forecast. So yesterday I gave an example of how to find the big picture, and today I'm going to give you one method to find the smaller swings inside the larger pattern. So again, this is an old chart. It's covering that same area in time, 2001. And there are two things that are being used here, and I'm going to tell you very plainly what they are, and then you can explore this. This is one method that can be used along with the cycles of repetition or any other astro or mathematical projections you may want to use to identify swing points. So what we're looking at on this chart, there are two things at work here. The minimum and maximum declination of the moon are being used. You can see the minimum here on 223, that pivot low was the minimum declination. And then on 3-9, the moon was at maximum declination at the swing high. The other points that are being used are the 90-degree separations of the sun and moon. So these triggers are all generally approximately about a week apart, and that's how a lot of those annual forecasts were. So that is the secret there for getting part of this and bringing this type of forecasting method into context. So there you have it. Very simply, you can use this method to identify potential pivot points in the market or apply it to the larger picture Gann big swing forecast.